Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we'll look at the confidence limits. Confidence limit and also the interval. So here the confidence limits are the upper and the lower limits of standard errors. They are the upper and the lower limits of the standard errors, and which is a parameter value is expected to lie. So which a parameter value is expected to lie. And generally there is 95% confidence limits are used and they are approximately equal. So there are about approximately 95% the confidence limit is used. So 95% the confidence limit is used and they are approximately equal to the sample mean plus. So they are approximately equal to the sample mean plus or minus 2 standard errors. So mean plus or minus the 2 standard errors. So that is there is 95% standard limits equal to the sample mean, that is x, plus or minus these standard errors. So let's look at the general formula in the confidence limits. So general formula in terms of the confidence limits. So this is nothing but it is the sample mean plus minus. So here the z, it stands for, it is 3 for 99.7%, and then the z is 2 for 95%, then z is 1. This is for the 68%. So here the difference between the upper and the lower confidence. So the difference between the upper and the lower confidence limits, the upper and the lower confidence limits. So it is called as the confidence interval. Confidence interval. And since the standard errors will decrease in proportion to the square root of the sample size. So since the standard error, it will decrease, and this is in proportion to the square root of the sample size. Square root of the sample size. The width of the confidence interval will also decrease. The width of confidence interval will also decrease in proportion to the square root of the sample size. This will decrease in proportion to square root of the sample size.